That is a pretty good sized group of Sandhill Cranes. I love those birds. They're pretty. The redness on the top of their head is beautiful. They're large birds, and I've been able to get pretty close to them too. They have a really weird call, and I filmed it on my channel, recorded the sound. Very unlike any birds I've ever seen or heard. And 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 6 of them there. Normally when you see them, they're a pair, so they're a mating couple. Sometimes you'll see a mating couple with a couple chicks. But I see these almost all year round. And I know they go pretty far north too, because a friend of mine who lives in Michigan has seen them in around Michigan. But they're very unique birds, very beautiful. I like them. And I've seen groupings of them, like 20 of them, really close together. It's pretty impressive seeing that many birds that size, and that's a pretty big bird. I mean, they stand pretty tall. And very peaceful to look at. I filmed these before, and I'm going to keep filming them because I just like looking at them. And I know people like seeing different kinds of birds. But those are the Sandhill Cranes. I'm going to drive by them, so I'm going to give you the camera because I want to put my hand fully on the wheel. I zoomed all the way back, so we're going to get closer to them. I've gotten pretty close to these birds before, these kinds. See, they're all alert now. And if you look at the top of their head, you probably won't be able to tell from my video. It's a nice deep red. Very majestic looking, I think. Very powerful looking bird. I think that's a dinosaur. Their ancestors were dinosaurs. You look at their feet, looks just like dinosaur feet. I think these are the T-Rex of today, basically. So you can get pretty close. I'm only, what, about 15 feet away, 20 feet? I've gotten within 3 or 4 feet of them before. Zoom in for a minute. Let's see if I can show you the top of one of their heads. What a beautiful animal. Yeah, you're looking at me, aren't you? You're very aware. See, they're relaxing a little bit. They're scratching themselves and digging for food again. Okay, I'm going to leave them do all their bird stuff. But I wanted to show you them. Very beautiful animals. Alright. Thanks for watching. Bye.